y'all, I'm Key and welcome to Key Can Eat. And today we are eating fried chicken with sweet and sour sauce. And to drink, I have Dr. Pepper filled with ice. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. How are y'all doing today? All right, y'all, let's go ahead and dig on in. Of course, you already know I was about to go to for the flat first, baby. It's good. Here you go. Do you like the leg part? The drum? You can have the drum. Okay. Pretty good. Pretty good. It's really good. It has a little kick to it, Lord. Why does everyone want to make their wings with a little kick to it? But it's still good. Kicking on. What are you eating today? If you're undecided about what you want to eat, what if you're cooking it, or if you're just going to purchase it, like what I did. This can be your meal for tonight. You don't even need no sides, no nothing. You don't at all. All right, here y'all. It's really good. So, I gotta get the gristle, y'all. Y'all hear that crunch? The song of the day is gonna be Ring by Cardi B featuring Kehlani. This was on Cardi B's Invasion of Privacy album, which she just got a Grammy for. Yep. Which brings me to my question. What did you think of the Grammys? Did you feel that it was a waste? Was it interesting? What was your thoughts on Cardi B winning Best Hip Hop Album? I believe that was for that. Don't quote me. I can't look it up right now, but Best Hip Hop Album of the Year or something like that over the other people that were in the category. Do you feel like she deserved it or not? I am a Cardi B fan, so you know, I'm not gonna say she should have, and I'm not gonna say she shouldn't have, but she won it. So hooray to her! Hooray and congrats to her! But y'all, when she won, so before I talk about when she won, let's go back. So when the only thing, not when the only thing, because she had more songs out, but when Bodak Yellow was popping, and I know y'all remember that because, baby, they played the ooh-wee out of Bodak Yellow, and she didn't get the recognition that people thought she should have got. And, you know, everybody was hitting her up, Cardi B, you know, you should have got it. You deserve this, you deserve that. Fast forward to 2 days ago. Well, she won Best Album. And they were ripping her to shreds. Ripping her, baby. They were like, If I had a piece of paper, I'll show you. But yes, they were ripping her to shreds. And she took to Instagram. I made a post saying how basically she was venting. Them bones have to be clean, y'all. But yeah, basically she was venting because after she won, people was really coming for her. And then, did y'all see what they made the little meme saying that Cardi B got a Grammy and Nicki didn't? Messy boots. Messy, messy, messy boots. But in all, congrats. I like Cardi. She had a great album. Every song on that album was a jam. And as a matter of fact, when her album was released, I wasn't understanding why she didn't push for Ring. Like, now they play Ring on the radio, but I didn't listen to it so much. Like, I don't know. I feel like Ring should have been a song that was pushed to the forefront. But hey, they playing it now on the radio, so whatever. But yeah, that was a good. As a matter of fact, that was one of my favorite. That is my favorite song on her album. What's your favorite song by Cardi anyway? Now, do you like when Cardi just focuses on her own album and plays her own music and all of that? Or do you like her better when she does features? When I say that girl is getting a bag, she is getting a bag. I can only hope to be on her level. Hope to be on her level one day. Ooh. That's good. Yeah, I must be a little hungry today. Well, I am. when you get into this mukbang community, you have to sacrifice. You can't eat everything you want like you normally would, because then you wouldn't be able to eat and film your video. And this is like a job for me. It's like a job. It's like, it's grind time. I have to grind until I get to the place where I want to be. But yeah, Invasion of Privacy was so good. I don't know if her next album can compete with this one. Hopefully so. And then people was bringing up the fact that Cardi brought her husband on stage with her to give her speech and to accept her Grammy. I was like, at the end of the day, her and Offset are still married. So if she chose to say come back or however it's going to go, that's her business. That's her husband. That's her child's father. And people just need to butt out. You know, I'm not married. So, to my friends that are in a relationship but not married, I would give them advice. If they ask for my opinion, that's what I would do. I would give them my opinion. Married couples, oh no. I'm not married. I'm not married. I don't know what it's like to be in your shoes, and I don't know what I would do if I was in that situation. You know, because when I do get married, I'm going to take my vows serious. And when the preacher or officiant, when they say to death do us part, that's what I mean, to death do us part. You know? You have to work stuff out. No, Offset was cheating. I don't know how much cheating I would be able to put up with, or if I would be able to put up with it at all. You know, it's always easier for someone to say, it's always easy for someone to say, I wouldn't do this, I wouldn't take that. But in reality, you don't know what you'll do, what you'll accept, because you're not in that position. So, congrats to Cardi. I'm definitely waiting on her next album. Now, I get that Cardi wants to protect her child. And she has only shown Culture one time. And that's when her and I guess Offset must have made her mad, and she posted a picture of Culture. And that was the very last picture she posted. I'm not understanding. Now, she's not required to show her baby, but people want to see her baby. It's not my child, so, you know, but people want to see her baby. And she'll post like a her arm or her feet or her legs kicking or something. Baby, look. That's not gonna fly, but whatever. It's her child. She do what she want. She do what she want. Y'all, I didn't even give y'all no more. All this chicken. Well, I done ate most of it up, huh? When you eat your chicken, do you leave meat on there? Or do you eat it all the way down to the bone? I know some people that feel like they have to leave just a little meat on it, or I don't know. And I'm like, baby, who are you saving the meat for? Who are you saving it for? Oh, Lord. More sauce. Ooh. That sauce is hot. But yeah. More sauce. Pretty good. So my question is, whether if you're team Cardi or if you're not team Cardi, as an artist, do you feel like she deserves to win her Grammy? That's all I want to know. Nothing to do with Nicki. I just want to know if you felt like she should have won. She already got it, so it really just our opinion. It really doesn't matter, but I would really love to know some of y'all opinion. Woo. So it's a little strong. Especially with me trying to take all these gulps. Woo. Excuse me. That one almost went to the head. Jesus. Do like the little kids do when they drink their drink and they want to make sure that they have enough left. They do this. They hold it up and look at it. Or they look inside. Y'all, or they look inside. Woo. All right, y'all. Take my word for it. When I say it was good, and that sauce with this chicken was everything that chicken had. Just the right amount of spice. It wasn't too much to where, y'all, it's definitely like not like those potatoes I had yesterday that was burning my mouth. Well, all right, y'all. I'm gonna stop rambling. Just go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know if you can answer my question. Let me know your thoughts on the entire situation for the Grammys. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share this video with anybody and everybody. I'm so extra, y'all. I'm Key. I'm out. Bye, y'all.